Come with me to dilly-dally with my friends in Williamsburg. This is us looking cute in the mirror. And these were the $300, $400 bags because we went to like this charm place and it had trinkets and earrings and jewelry. So, we went to the charm place. It was a lot of money. It was like $12 for each charm.
That didn't work out.
It didn't work out because we're jobless.
We're broke.
We're jobless. What are we doing? So yeah, we went to this ice cream place. I finished mine.
I'm still eating my sorbet.
We got mango sorbet. Egg Kimura is lactose intolerant.
Like that.
All right, y'all. So we're headed to this boat place after we ate ice cream. And we're facing to the road. After that, we're gonna go to like this burger place that we saw on TikTok. So we went to Moji, however you pronounce it. We got a whole bunch of ones.
I'm rich, guys. I'm rich.
No, you're not. You're jobless,
bro. No, because you know in 100, there's like 2 zeros. And you know 0 doesn't really mean anything. So basically, these are mad $100 bills.
Oh my gosh, you're so delusional. It's so cute. But yeah. I got a mango coconut slushy thing. I like it. It's nice. It's sweet. It's nice. Yeah, now we're going to go to the burger place. Look at us hanging out like New York gals. Yes, bro. We were born here. We know where we're going. We're definitely not using navigation right now. So we just made it. Instead of going to the burger place, we went to the pasta place. I got a pesto pasta. What did you get? Hey. So yeah. So we are at Pioneer Pasta. Don't look like that. It's okay. Guys, word. Bro, I'm so scared of getting like stuff from delis now. This one got food poisoning from a deli.
Hey, yo. Oh, what color? I forgot who told me they got little bits from the deli.
Bro, and my friend, she went to the deli, she had a whole razor blade in her little sandwich. I was like, what? But yeah, no more delis for Marley. I'm on strike. This is our aesthetic food and our half-drunken drinks. Okay, I got pesto with baby mozzarella in the middle.
Yeah, I got Alfredo and chicken.
Word. We have tires.
The aesthetic, oh my gosh. Come on, Marley.
Okay.
Take a little num-num.
This is nice.
Yep.
It tastes so fresh.
Let me see that. How you gonna play that, bro? Ain't Marley supposed to eat your pasta, bro.
The background sounded really weird, so let me just tell you what's happening. Nom 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 nom. Oh, this big background.
Leah, how do you like it? You can't burn me, you put them in gold. That's why I just stopped.
Out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Word. Can you sure you want to try it, right?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got some sparkling water. And I'm almost done with the pasta. So, I'm on my way home. I got sparkling water at the pasta place. I finished my pasta. It was so fire. And yeah. This was a good little hangout I had with my friends. Don't play. And I feel like y'all should, you know, go ahead and watch some Marley New York Chronicles. Don't play.